Hello everybody and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use paper trading on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and just down below this chart at the bottom right corner you will be able to see the arrow option or arrow icon. Simply tap on that or click on that icon and you can see the paper trading at the first. So you need to click on that option, and now another section pops out. Simply tap on or click on connect and you'll be able to use paper trading successfully. So basically this is how you can use paper trading on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.